Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unarchive chat on LinkedIn. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. On my previous video, I've shown you how to archive chats, how to find the unarchived chats on your LinkedIn. But now, what if you want to unarchive chats on your LinkedIn? Maybe for some reason you just accidentally archive important message, important chats on your LinkedIn, and now you want to see it. You want to restore that chat. It's very simple. So first we have to open our LinkedIn. Now you can just log in into your account. After that, you can just go to inbox by tapping on the up right corner here. Here's all the message on your LinkedIn apps. Now you want to see the unarchived chats like on my previous video. I've show you how to find it. You can just tap on focus in here in the filters. Now choose an archive. Here's all the archived chats on your LinkedIn. You can just tap and you can just tap and hold on the chat that you want to unarchive, that you want to restore. Now you can tap on restore in here, this one. So now you have restore all chats on your LinkedIn. It's very simple, right? So that is how to unarchive, how to restore chats on LinkedIn. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.